Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn off passcode on iPhone XR when you know the passcode. Okay, so this is my iPhone XR device, so let's start. So when I swipe up, you can see it's asking me to enter the passcode. Okay, so let me provide the passcode in order to enter into my iPhone. Okay, so we are now entered. So in order to turn off passcode on iPhone XR, what you need to do, you have to tap on the settings. So let me tap on the settings. Okay, and after that you need to scroll down and then you need to tap on this Face ID and passcode. So let me tap on this. Okay, so you need to provide your passcode. So let me provide mine. Okay, and you can see guys, we have this screen opened, Face ID and passcode, and after that you have to scroll down and here we have this link, turn passcode off. Okay, so you have to tap on this and again you need to provide your passcode. So let me provide mine. Okay, you can see it's turning off, so we need to wait. And you can see guys, we have this passcode turned off. You can see we have this option, turn passcode on. Okay, after that you can close your settings app. So let me go to my lock screen. Okay, and when I swipe up, you can see it's not asking me to enter the passcode. Okay, so it's now turned off. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily turn off passcode on iPhone XR when you know the passcode. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.